Can you do a little speaking for the beginning of this video?
Man, if you tell me where the damn aux cable is.
Alright, YouTube, what's going on? We got a Rory here today.
Alright, what up, YouTube? What up? It's time for the shop life.
Alright, time for the shop life.
The shop life coming at ya!
Alright, we got
what up?
We got...
Alright! Time for the shop life. Boom, chicka wicka boom, 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 boom. Alright, so what we're doing is, it's Patrick!
We got the Beetle here today. We got a lot of people saying, man, could you do some more videos on that Beetle, yo?
Man, could you do some more videos on that Beetle, yo? Man, do more Beetle videos!
Well, here we got a Beetle video today. Y'all seen me replace this exhaust system before.
You see this? This exhaust is smoking. It's got a bad habit.
Bad habit.
It's gonna give you cancer.
Over here, we got ourselves a new exhaust system.
So, first step is to not jack the car up.
Alright, so first I gotta just remove the bolts out of here and out of this side. They're both one, and then there's one underneath. They're all 12mm. Alright, got this exhaust out, or this muffler out. Came out real easy. Just got those, and then these bottom ones have some clamps, but I guess I must not have tightened them enough because it just slid off. They're these style clamps right here. So now I've got the new exhaust system with the header right here. Huge shout out to my uncle who just gave this to me because I guess he didn't want it anymore. So gonna slide this on in a second, see how it goes. So you gotta hold that.
Next step right now, we gotta put this in place.
You gotta be sliding her up and in, and then sliding her up and in. Uh-oh. Had to jack it up. Good thing with the Beetle is you can just pick it up. Betsy, come pick this car up for me.
Gotta get the big guy over here.
I need to go like this. There we go.
That's how you do
How
it.
you do it?
Just pick that bitch right up.
Just trying to slide this on here. Ow!
You get that side in?
Just like that. And you want to make sure you got your J-pipes lined up on the bottom too.
Yeah, that one looks good. This one looks real good. Now you only got one central exhaust pipe.
Well, that's what the vuvuzelas for. You gotta come sticking up straight.
Is that what you're gonna do?
No, I'm gonna put the muffler on for right now.
What you wanna do is screw that in there. Yo, Christian.
Yeah.
Am I your boy?
No.
Who's our boy?
Now we got the muffler. See, I'm not really a fan of how this is gonna look, but you gotta put a weld here. You can have that Volkswagen shit where you take something out. Dude, this thing is gonna be scraping.
Dude, I don't really know how that's gonna look. Can't you just throw some golf balls in there too? That adds some horse.
Well, it'll add some golfers, that's for sure.
Dude, how you gonna hang that?
Man, whose idea was it to not jack this car up?
It was all your idea. Everyone else wanted to do it. Oh man, the golf ball came out. What the?
Alright, I guess we gotta jack it up.
Yeah, dude, that's what you need. Just to lift it like that.
Oh, well, dude, that's not the right spot to jack it from at all, because now I really can't get to this fucking thing.
Well, jack it down. John Campiello and he broke his nose.
Is that really happened though?
Yeah, dude, his car fell on him. He was under the Mustang at one point. He just had it on a jack. Jack slid out. The whole car came down on his face. We just crushed it. Well, he crushed his nose.
Jesus.
Yep, and then he totaled the car anyway, so that was a waste of a broken nose.
I don't know, put the jack down. Dude, what?
I think it's gonna be real, like you're just gonna scrape so easy.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, dude, is this even like a cash?
Let's see. No, it might not be.
I don't think it is.
Well, gonna be good. Not like shoot flames or something? That sounds kind of weird. I don't know. All right, we'll be right back.
Dude, if you set this fucking low in this thing, I just can't even see anything.
Not nearly as loud as it was. Maybe it is. Doesn't feel faster at all, dude.
Does it?
It feels slower if anything.
Yeah.
You rip a quick donut?
I mean, alright.
Alright, here we go. Do you want to drive it back home?
Oh, yeah. Driving the bush.
Damn, this is sitting real weird.
Yeah, dude, right? Alright. Man, this is...
There you go.
Man, we in neutral?
Yep.
Man, Jesus Christ.
It's a little different, I'm telling you.
Yeah. Man, how do you get this thing in gear? Oh, there we go. Is this even? Man, Jesus Christ. Man, you ain't got no RPM gauge.
Yeah, dude, it's over there.
Oh, there it is. Oh, man. You're really dropping now. Man, it's only a 4-speed?
Only 4-speed.
Oh, jeez. I ain't never driven a 4-speed
Right here,
before.
right here.
Oh. I ain't never driven one of these.
You might need to keep it in third going up the hill.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
I kind of want to take that muffler off and see if it runs better, you know?
Man, I don't even know which one is here. Oh, it's that one.
right by the house,
Oh, man, what was I gonna do at that point? Rip the e-brake?
Yeah, drink right in.
I guess so, I should've. Man, you ain't got no blinkers.
Yeah, dude.
Where they at? Oh, okay.
It's like a
okay.
yo-go. Where did you think it was, man?
Okay.
How you like them pedals? A little different, huh?
Man, this is ridiculous. I've never driven something like this before in my life. I can't tell when I'm in gear or nothing.
You gotta jam it up in the first sometimes.
Yeah, you really do.
It is.
Ooh, that sounds nice.
I didn't
Man,
even-
fuck this seatbelt.
You just gotta live with it.
Man, how do you take it off?
Hit the button that says press. Okay, so this new exhaust is actually kind of sick. I had a wire that wasn't on the distributor when I was trying to drive it. That's why it felt so much slower, because it was only running on 3 cylinders. With the whole header and everything, it's definitely a little bit peppier. I really hate the way this muffler looks, so I think I'm going to change that up at some point. But for now, I'm definitely happy with this. So again, a huge shout out to my uncle for just giving this to me. He's big into Beetles and stuff, and he had a different exhaust that he wanted to put on his. He thought this one was too loud, so he just gave it to me, which was really cool. So again, big shout out to him, and thanks for watching.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.